Since it's a weekday, I have the privilege to choose the camp lot that I like. So let's go to the top tier. So this is the top tier, offer me the best view, a little bit shaded. The one at my car is the second tiers, it's hot and it's not shaded. And I'm choosing the third tiers, which offer me the best view and also very well shaded. Another good reason is this lot is also very near to the toilet, so it's easier. Okay, this is the toilet next to the lot that I choose, and this is the highest point toilet available. It's a very basic one with a squat type toilet and a cold shower from a small pipe. Walk down the steep hill, you can see there's another lot on my right hand side. This is also not a bad one and is closer to the common area. Okay, let's walk a little bit down. On the right hand side, you can see there is a canopy and there is also some camp lot down there you can use, which also offer you a pretty good view and is much closer to the common area on the left hand side. So the left hand side, there is some common facility like cooking, chair, table, and you can use it as a shelter if let's say there's a heavy rain or thunderstorm. So if you walk further down, there's also a couple of camp slot more there. If you don't like somewhere very high up, I think this is a good place to be. If you are choosing the spot at the top and if you got nothing better to do, I strongly suggest you don't walk down because to walk up is pretty steep. Ada durian ah? Tak ada durian? Ada? Belum ah? Bila ah? Bulan depan ah? Lama lagi ah? Oke. Wah, damn steep. Hey, good morning everyone. I'm at this Sea of Cloud in Hulu Langat. As you can see, why this campsite called the Sea of Cloud? You look at the back, it's really Sea of Cloud. Is it amazing? This is my tent, my car, right? And this is the view. It's really amazing. It's really nice.
See my shoe? The left side is a coffee, the right side is a tea. Both combined is a cham. In Malaysia, cham, if you go in any coffee shop, cham means coffee, cham, coffee mixed with tea, milk tea. So then it becomes cham. Why? Because yesterday when I go to sleep, I put my slipper outside of my tent. When I wake up, the left side is missing. I think the stray dog bite it and move it somewhere else. What the hell?
Shit. I hit the rock.